I'm Adaline from Bonney Lake, Ben Franklin, and I'm here to demonstrate our June Gnome of the Month for Father's Day. The first step that we're going to do is secure the corners of our pre-filled bag, hot glue them into the center so that it can stand up for our gnome. Next, we're going to put together our hat. So I've cut out my felt already, and then I'm going to add a line of glue along one of the long sides and roll it up so that it makes a cone. Now, to make the brim, we're going to go opposite of the seam in the back, fold up just the front part of the felt, add a touch of hot glue in one spot, and secure it right there. And then, where our hot glue went, we'll add our World's Best Dad tile with more hot glue. Next, we're going to add the beard. We're going to go right under our brim and tile, place a line of glue inside the hat, and attach the beard fur facing out. To attach the nose, peel away a bit of the fur right underneath the brim of the hat. Add a dot of hot glue and stick on your big wooden nose. Now we're going to stuff our hat. Take your polyfill and put it inside of your hat to give it some shape. And then take your floral wire and bend it together and then stick it all the way so that it reaches the top of the hat, not poking through. And with that, you can bend your hat as you would like it. We have our completed Dad's Day gnome for June Gnome of the Month. Happy crafting and happy Father's Day!